Guys, what's up? It's Mark. I woke up in my boots this morning. I really didn't, but I woke up in my Crocs this morning, that's for sure. Brand new Crocs, baby. Camo Crocs. That way you can't see me. Anywho, check this out. This is a beast of a truck. It's not done yet because I'm not done doing meticulous little things to it, like detailing underside and the engine bay and making sure it's all primo and perfect and nice, but it is available. It's a 2000 from a buddy of mine. So very good friends of mine have owned this truck for a few years. I think a year or two maybe, I don't know. It's got a new remanufactured transmission in it, upgraded transmission, internals I want to say there is. I have the receipt for it. Fairly new set of 22 by 14 hostile wheels. They're a flat, kind of actually like a, I want to say like a, yeah, they're flat black, kind of almost gloss, not really, whatever you call that sheen that's in between that and the other eggshell. I don't know. Anywho, I slapped a brand new set of 37 1350 22-inch mud terrain tires on here. It's got a huge 7.5, I want to say it's a 7.5-inch kit, rough country suspension lift. Massive truck. I mean, just the girth of it is just incredible. Tires, it's got a nice stance to it. The grill, I'm 6 foot tall, and the Super Duty letters on the grill come up to the bottom of my chin, kind of. Maybe my Adam's apple, I don't know. It's got some goodies in here under the hood. Full exhaust, axle dump, 5-inch turbo back exhaust, cab lights, everything. Whole bunch of goodies on this truck. It's a 4-door short bed, FASS fuel system, and FX4 package. Whole bunch of goodies on this truck, really is. Sounds amazing. I'm gonna do the video of it accelerating after it's all the way done. I'm gonna do the video of it start up, accelerating, turning, launching, putting it through the ringer, so that way you know it's a good truck, and I know that this truck can drive, and I know that this truck sounds beast, and that way I'm assured that what I'm selling is probably the best of operating to the best of its capability. So hope you guys like the video. Oh, you want to see the interior? It does have the rock lights on it, so we put a brand new oil change, fuel filter, Motorcraft of course, because why would you use anything different? So Motorcraft filter, brand new oil change, filters changed. It's got the rock lights on it, 1, 2 rock lights, and there's a little fuse right under the passenger side. I want to say that you plug in. There it is right there. You plug that fuse in. Kind of a sloppy wiring job, but I'm going to fix that, make sure it's all nice and tidy. I plug the fuse in there, and it's an app you download on your phone to do the blue, the green, the yellow, the brightness, and all that jazz. Make it look really nice. Full exhaust system. Yeah, I already said that. There's the tranny right there. I can just literally almost walk clear under this truck. There you go. There's the tranny, and I want to climb straight through a barrel roll under there. There's the FASS. I can sit straight up. Man, changing the oil into these trucks are the greatest. Who needs a jack anymore? Those things are overrated. Oh, put the key code in so you guys look the other way, please. Yep, don't look, I said, don't look. Just gonna use the lock, the fob. 104,000 miles, backup camera, heated seats, cooled seats, exhaust brake, 4-wheel drive, SCT monitor with tune, sunroof, leather seats, no rips, everything is primo, it smells phenomenal inside, folding mirrors, there's the VIN number right there. But the engine's a little dirty, but I'll show it to you. Who cares? I gotta cut this video short because we're actually running on press time today. All right. There's the engine. There's some goodies right there. Some block offs, cold air filter, Motorcraft battery. Like I said, a little dirty, but who cares? This is Mark signing out. See you guys later. This is coming soon, 2015 F-250 Lariat FX4 4-door short bed, rough country lift kit, 2214 hostiles on 37 1350 22-inch mud terrains. Coming soon. Check it out. I woke up in my Crocs this morning. See ya.